Have you ever faced a situation where a door slammed shut in your face, only to realize later that it was actually the best thing that could have happened to you? Today, we're delving deep into the art of turning the tables on rejection, inspired by the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine living in a world where every no doesn't push you down, but propels you forward. Rejection, a word that often carries a sting, can become your stepping stone to greatness. It's not about tricking fate, but understanding that sometimes a no from the universe is a hidden yes to something greater. Feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to flip the script. In this video, we'll unpack 13 powerful lessons that teach you to harness the power of rejection. These are not just theoretical concepts. These are practical, real-world strategies that you can apply in your daily life. Before we dive in, let's ensure this wisdom reaches as many people as possible. Hit that like button and ring the notification bell. It tells YouTube that you're finding value in what we're sharing. Now, let's get started on this transformative journey together. Ready to turn your rejections into your greatest victories? Let's begin. 1. Ignore them too. When life hands you the cold shoulder of indifference, don't shrink back. Rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. Instead of dwelling in pain, use it as a catalyst for growth. Dive into activities that enrich you and focus on your goals and happiness. Build a fortress of self-respect, letting their indifference bounce off it. You're not just surviving their rejection. You're thriving despite it. 2. Don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting, making you want to react emotionally. But Stoicism suggests embracing a composed, thoughtful response. It's about understanding that your self-worth isn't tied to others' approval. Stay polite, stay kind, and reach out if you feel like it, but do so with genuine concern, not expectation. Mastering calmness in the face of rejection is transformative. It's a journey towards self-confidence where you learn to value yourself independently. 3. Remove them from your mind. When faced with rejection, harnessing the art of detachment becomes a powerful tool. Acknowledge the rejection, feel its impact, but don't let it anchor your thoughts. Picture rejection not as a roadblock, but as a detour sign guiding you towards new paths and possibilities. Explore activities that enrich your spirit and broaden your horizons. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. 4. Demonstrate your value. Rejection is a litmus test for your resilience. Instead of wilting under its weight, view it as a chance to reveal your grit. Work on projects that highlight your skills or offer to lead a new initiative. Remember, rejection isn't a reflection of your worth. It's a redirection to where you're needed more. 5. Cut off contact. Silence isn't just the absence of sound. It's a powerful tool in your emotional toolkit. Embrace silence, not as a means of manipulation, but as a boundary you set for your mental peace. It's saying, I respect myself too much to chase or beg. 6. Prove them wrong. Use rejection as fuel for growth. Dive deep into learning and practice relentlessly to surpass your own limits. Let your results speak louder than words. 7. Go out and have fun. Embracing joy is a strategic move to build resilience. Counter the instinct to withdraw by deliberately seeking out joy. Share moments of connection with others to reaffirm your place in the tapestry of human interaction. 8. Build your social status. Focus on self-enhancement and community involvement. Share your journey, not for applause, but for connection. Every step you take should be a step towards improvement. 9. Act as if they don't exist. Redirect your attention towards those who value your company. Maintain professionalism in unavoidable interactions, keeping conversations brief and to the point. 10. Give them the silent treatment. Use silence not as a means to provoke, but as a tool for self-reflection. It's a time to understand your feelings, sift through your thoughts, and find clarity. 11. Don't beg for attention. Anchor yourself in your own self-worth and independence. Build a life that makes you proud, independent of how others perceive it. 12. Be kind but emotionally distant. Respond with kindness, but keep your emotional world fortified. It's a conscious choice rooted in self-care and wisdom. 13. Don't reveal your struggle. Maintain your composure and continue with your life with the same vigor and determination as before. It's not about pretending everything is fine. It's about internal resilience. Remember, each no you face is a stepping stone to resilience, teaching you to channel your inner strength. Apply these insights in your daily life, embracing rejection, not as a setback, but as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery.